First of all, you can see there a beautiful review of this project Secured Ship, and you can also see a Gmail. If you want to contact with owner, you can use this Gmail and directly contact with the owner of this project. He's also a big hearted man. So first of all, give a big hand for him. So after, you can see there a review of this project. Here you can see there hold, play and earn. Means if you hold this token, if you hold this for a token, play and earn, and you will earn through this. So welcome to Secured Ship. You can also buy this in exchange. I will told you later what is Secured Ship. Here are three types. What is secured? First of all, you can see the liquidity lock. You can also earn through passive income and secured path. So first, read about secured liquidity lock. Liquidity will be locked until 2023. Means it's a very legit project. It's a very great project. This is for the security of our holders and our token. With secured ship, your token will be always secured. Means if you are the owner, if you are the holder of these tokens, so your token will be secured. Don't be worry about this. So after, you can see their passive income, our holders will be able to earn through a variety of things. One of them is passive income. Means passive income is also income of this. If you are the holder of this token, you will earn through passive income. Secured ship holders will be rewarded from transaction fees. You hold, you earn. Means if you are a holder and someone buys and sells their tokens, so you will also get reward through their transaction fees. So after, you can see their secured path. It is very important to us that our holders feel safe and be secured. Therefore, our audit and KYC has been done. So I will show in my video. After that, you can see their dollar ship. It's their symbol. I think the future is secured. Secured ship is BP20 token with different ways of earning system. Means if it's a different way of earning token, and it's also depend on BEP token. It's based on BEP token. You can also see their live chart. Let's click on there. So after, you can see their about us. What is about us? Why choose secured ship? Why we choose? There are some questions I will show you. You can see there. Why choose secured ship? As our name says, is tell we I care about the security of our community and holders. We want to give them a secured trip liquidity and will be locked. Our game system, you can also play games and earn money. We want to offer you holders play different ways of earning. Our game is on Google Play Store, where you can play and earn. The top 3 players every week will be rewarded with ship. So I will also give you the review of this their game on Play Store. So you can also see their BSC scan page. Let I will show you later. You can so after, you can see their features. What are their features? You can also see their features, and after, you can also see their roadmaps. So there are some stages. Let me show you. First of all, you can see their stage number 1, smart contract audit, secured ship. We game 1, promotional marketing, pre-sale launch and liquidity log. Submit secured ship to BSC scan, pancake app listing, continue community building. So you can see the stage number 2, CMC and CoinGecko listing, block listing, redesign and white paper, rebrand logo, website and revise roadmaps and expand the development team, improve the rewarding and everything. You can you will read this, and it's very secured. So you will also know about this on stage number 3, Certix audit. In stage number 3, they launched on Certix audit. They will do secured ship NFT art and secured ship merch, CEX listening, secured ship game V2 and everything. In stage number 4, you can see the cryptocurrency exchange website, blockchain app, secured ship wallet app and new stake planning. So it's a very secured and decentralized platform. I hope you will like my video, and you will like this. So there may changes in the roadmap depending on the situation. Means after some situations on in future, I hope they will. I'm sure, not sure, I they will change there in roadmaps. You will be, if you are if you are the part of the community, you will read this. Get in touch, guys. You can also see the tokenomics. You can see their supplies are 1 quadrillion. It's a very huge amount for you, so let's buy this, guys. So you can also see their burnt value is unknown. It's unlimited. Circulation supply is also 1 quadrillion. So you can see their token name is secured ship, and token ticker short is ship. Platform Binance Smart Chain, decimal is 9, transaction fees is 10%. Means transaction fees is rewarded by holders. And you can also see their contract that you can also use this to buy on exchange. You can see don't miss out our rewarding games. Means Play Store. If you click on this, you will see their store, you will see their game on Play Store. Let's click on this, guys. So when you click on this, you will see a review of Play Store. Their game is launched, their game is listed on PancakeSwap. You can install and play games and also earn game. If you are the lucky winner in a week in the top 3 list, you will you will take SHIB tokens as a reward. You can also see their basic scan page. You can see their prior circle total supply is 1 quadrillion, their holders are 100, transfers are 4. So you can this is a contract address, this is decimal is 9, and you can also see their holders. These are the holders, they want to earn money, that's why they buy it. Now they know their prices will increase one day and they will get more profit. You can also see their, so let's come to our home page. Now I will show, you can also buy or you can also join on some social sites like Telegram, Twitter, Reddit and everything. Let me show you. Here you can see their tokenomics white paper and everything. Let me show you their token white papers. When you click on white paper, you can see there is a new page in front of you. You can see there is a new page in front of you whose name is white paper. So here is the review of white paper. You can see their reduce, ship, play, hold, play and earn HTTP. This is the website link. You can see their website link. When you read this legal disclaimer and everything, liquidity law, complaints with tax of obligations, limitation of liability. The basically in white paper, the summarize the review of this project. They write and clear everything. You can read this and clear all doubts about this. You can also see their introduction and everything. I hope you will read this, and it's a project. You can also see there's some flow charts and everything. So this is very decentralized platform, guys. Now I will show you their audit. When you click on audit, a PDF file will be downloaded and you will see a review of this like audit. Here you can see that this is the audit page. This is what secured ship, smart contract review, and you can also see the security project. September means they are planning their audit and everything. I hope you will read this and clear your all doubts about in your mind. So this is very decentralized platform, a secured platform where you can invest your money and earn more profit. So you can see there the liquidity is 10%, transaction fees is returns for 10%. If someone buys and hold this and sell their tokens, you will get rewarded through some reward in transactions. Means if you just hold this, you will also reward it with some time. So let's meet in my next video. So you can also see their audit and also. Let's came to our guide. Now you can see there some you can also join on some Twitter page, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram. Let me show you some pages. First of all, you can see their Telegram page. Their members are 483 and 65 are online. Their community is very low, their community is very slow, but in future you will see their community is very high because their VN are very high, and I hope this project will goes to moon. So don't skip my video, don't skip this project. I hope you will like this, watch this and earn this, guys. Join this MBA. By now become it's too late, guys. It's my advice for you. If you have some doubts, you can also, here you can see their Instagram page. You can also follow on him and be a part of the community. You can also see their Telegram, Twitter page. You can also just follow him and guys and be a part of this community. You can also see their on September 3rd their admin post hold play, and that means they launched their game on Play Store. You can also play and install this game and play on Play Store. Let's come to our site, and you can also join on the other Reddit, Discord, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, GitHub and Medium. I will give all links in my description, so don't be worry. So this is my video. I hope you will like my video and watch my video till end. So please, guys, if you have some bad mind and if you have some bad thinkings about this project, so keep research on this project and clear your all thinkings about this. So I hope you will like this. It's a chance for you to earn money in a very short time. So let's meet in my next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.